Good afternoon to all the students. Today I am going to revise the chapter ratio and proportion, that is the text of the chapter. Okay. Question number one. Question number one is given. Just to see what is given here. Text of the chapter number one. Express the following in ratio in the simplest form. Express the following ratio in the simplest form. What is given here? First part, C 1 by 2 kg is to 75 gram given. You have to convert same unit. After that, simplify form. Second part given 2.6 meter is to 0.65 centimeter given. Third one given 65 ratio rupees 2.2 rupees 40 paise. Okay, let us see one by one. Just see. Question number one, express the following in ratio in the simplest form. First part it is given C 1 by 2 kg is to 75 gram. This will be 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7 by 2 kg given. You have to convert gram, multiplying 1000. Gram is to 75 gram. Now it will be how much? This is coming 2, it will be cancelled by 500, that means 7 into 500 gram divided by 75 gram. The gram will be cancelled, that means 7 into 500 divided by 75. 25 will go, 25 3 are 75, 25 2 are 50 and 0. That means how much you are getting? 140 by 3. This is the simplified form. The final answer is 140 is to 3. This is the answer number one, first part. Let us see the second part. Second part question given 2.6 meter is to 0.65 centimeter. You have to convert same unit first of all. 2.6 meter means 2.6 into 100 because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. And here 0.65 centimeter. So both the centimeter will be cancelled out. If you multiply, it will be coming how much? 260. And this is 65 by 100. 100 you have to write on the top. This is 65. Okay. Next you see, this will go by 5. 13 5 is 65. 5 20 is 100. Again 13 will go. 13 2 is 26 and 0. Coming 400 by 1, which is equal to 400 is to the number one second part completed. Let us see number one third part. The question given, this is 65 is to rupees 2.40, that is 2 rupees 40 paise. First of all, you convert all in paise, that is 65 divided by, this will be 240 paise. Then 60 by 240, 64 is 240, that is coming 1 is to 4. Okay, this is the answer of number one, third part. In this way, number one, all the parts completed. Let us see the number two question. Just see. Question number two, express the following ratio in the simplest form. Question number two, first part it is given 1 by 16 is to 1 by 12 is to 1 by 18. How to simplify? First of all, you have to write the LCM of 16, 12, 18. In the rough work, you have to do 16, 12 and 18. This will go by 2, all the three numbers, that means 2, 8, 2, 6 is 12, 2, 9 is 18. Okay? Again it will go by 3, that means 8, 3 is 6, 3 is 9. So what is the LCM? 3 is 9, 9 4 is 36 into 8. Okay. Very fast you see. If you multiply here 1 by 16 into 48, 1 by 12 into 48. Here also you have to multiply 1 by 18 into 48. What is the result you are getting? That you check. 16 3 is 48. This will come 3. Again 12 4 is 48. Write 4 here. After that, this will be 24 by 9. Okay. If you multiply 9 everywhere, this will be 9 3 27, 9 4 36 is to 24. Multiplying 9 both sides. Multiplying 9. In this way, number 2 first part completed. See number 2 second part. Second part question given 1 1 by 6, 3 1 by 4 is to 2 2 by 3. First of all, you make it improper fraction. These are all big fraction given. 6 1 is 6 plus 1 7 by 6. This will be 4 3 12 plus 1 13 by 4. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8 by 3. After that, what is the LCM of 6 4 3? That will be 12. Means multiplying 12, 7 by 6 into 12, you have to multiply 12 both sides. 13 by 4 into 12, 8 by 3 into 12. If I multiply 12, what is the result? 6 to the 12, this 7 to the 14, 4 3 the 12, 13 3 the 39, again 3 4 the 12, 8 4 the 32. This is the answer. Okay. The simplified form is 14 is to 39 is to 32. Let us see the third part. See the next question, it is given divide rupees 900 in the ratio 4 is to 7 is to 9. Okay. The first part will be how much? The first part will be, first ratio is 4, that means 4 by total, that means 4 plus 7 plus 9 into total amount, that is rupees 900. How much you will get? This is 4 by 20 into 900. Okay. 1 0 cancel, 2 to the 4, 90 into 2 is becoming rupees 180. This is the first part. The second part will be 7, second ratio 7 by total, that is coming 20 into 900. The total amount is 900, you have to divide. In this way it is completed. 0 can cancel, 2 45 the 90, multiply 45 into 7, 315 rupees 315. Next third part. The third part will be, the third ratio is 9 by 20 into 900. Okay, this will be cancelled. 45 into 9, this will be rupees 405. Rupees also. Therefore, in this way, the first part is rupees 180, second part is 315, and the third part is 405. You have to divide rupees 900 in the ratio 4 is to 7 is to 9. The first part will be rupees 180, second part is rupees 315, third part is rupees 405. Okay, in this way number 3 question completed. Question number 4, just to see what is given here. Find the value of x. Find x. Condition given, you see. The condition given, first part it is given 7 by 9 is to 5 by 11 equal to x is to 3 by 7. Ratio means this will be 7 by 9 into 11 by 5 equal to x into 7 by, because in case of multiply the reciprocal, the second ratio, finally you are getting how much? X will be 7 by 9 into 11 by 5 into 3 by 7. 7 cancel, 3 3 is 9, therefore x equal to 11 by 15. Number 4, first part completed, and second part is just to see. Second part question given second part question given, x is to 0.5 equal to 7.2 is to 1.5. This will be x by 0.5. This is 7.2 by 1.5. First of all, 0.5 means 5 by 10 or 1 by 2. This will be 2x. This will be cancelled decimal. This will be 7.2 by 15. This will go by 3. 3 by 3, 5, 15. 24, 3, 72. Next, x will be 2 divided means 12 by 5. So what is the answer? The x is equal to 12 by 5. In this way, I have completed number 3, number 4, first part, second part. Okay. Number 2 also completed. Number 1 also completed. Thank you for today's class. Later to more sounds.